Hey you guys, it's me on my American back here, and this is also Brick Boy 8. And I'm gonna be doing my first reaction video right now. And what's been happening from today, I haven't been watching these videos a long time. It's these things called flipagram roast. Yeah, it's flipagram roasting. And I'm gonna just watch this video and I'm gonna see what happens. It's a try not to laugh challenge, and I'm gonna start. Oh God.
Tiger's leg look like a turkey
What?
drumstick.
Is he okay? Is that Power Ranger? This dude's racist. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. This this dude's laughing hard.
Look at this dude's nose. No. Look at his nipples.
Yo, this dude.
What you talking about, Will? What is that?
What? Okay. This is ridiculous. This dude is going all out. This dude has a video running for running for 3 minutes and 52 seconds. And this dude is going all out on this video. This dude's laughing way too hard, doing so much comparisons. Yo, this dude need to chill. Okay. What? Okay. An apostrophe. What happened to that guy's head? Dude! They even got the open season to that.
He looks like Gru from Despicable Me.
He does? He does?
Oh, he looks like Kunta Kinte.
What? Wow. What the heck? Yo, what the? Yo, this dude's bringing down the world's turd. First, this dude uses pictures, and now he's using random videos. The last time I've been seeing these things, this dude hasn't even been using videos. And now this guy is going all out. Okay? Yo.
your bottom purple, filth asshole, ugly ass.
Again. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this video, like, flipagram roast, this dude went all out on this video. Cause, like, first of all, this guy's already, like, using, like, videos and pictures. Alright, you guys. That's been, like, my reaction to, like, flipagram roast 5. If you guys have any, like, suggestions, what I should, like, be, like, reacting to next on my YouTube video, or on, like, my YouTube channel, leave me, like, a comment what I should, like, be reacting to next, and see you guys next time. Omari or Brickboy8 sending out, and peace out, home dogs, and see you later, and bye. Omari out, and see you guys later. Okay, then, bye. Okay.